Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 1, simplexchat, 1069 new stars today. SimpleX eliminates the fundamental privacy leak of messaging metadata by removing all user identifiers from the network layer, enabling truly anonymous communication without phone numbers or usernames. Its Haskell-based server and client use unidirectional message queues over Tor-resistant relays, making correlation attacks vastly more difficult than in federated or peer-to-peer designs. If you are building secure infrastructure, researching censorship-resistant protocols, or need a messaging system where identity disclosure is structurally impossible, this codebase delivers a production-ready implementation of a privacy model mainstream messengers cannot offer. Number 2, CasaOS, 502 new stars today. CasaOS lets you run a full personal cloud from file sharing to media streaming on any spare PC or Raspberry, without writing a single config file. It replaces a handful of SaaS subscriptions, like Google Drive and Plex Cloud, with a self-hosted dashboard where installing apps is a single click, giving you full data ownership and eliminating recurring fees. Under the hood, it orchestrates Docker containers through a custom app store format, making container management as approachable as a smartphone app while exposing APIs for developers to build and share their own packages. Number 3, freefordev, 459 new stars today. It eliminates hours of searching for free tiers by curating a community-vetted list of SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS offerings that infrastructure developers can actually use in production or side projects. The list enforces strict criteria: no time-limited trials, mandatory TLS, and a minimum 1-year free tier, filtering out short-term promotions and leaving only genuine, durable free resources. Browsing its categorized entries lets you instantly find replacements for paid monitoring, CBIOS, CDN, and dozens of other services, directly reducing monthly infrastructure bills without compromises. Number 4, PowerToys, 57 new stars today. Developers and power users waste hours on repetitive Windows tasks resizing windows, remapping keys, renaming files that the OS leaves undersupported. PowerToys fixes this with a suite of free, system-level utilities that blend seamlessly into the shell. Unlike single-purpose tools, it packs 30-plus utilities, fancy zones, keyboard manager, PowerEnum, etc., into one installable package that respects your privacy and receives regular updates from Microsoft. The codebase itself is a CC+ reference for Windows integration. It uses low-level hooks, COM interop, and WinUI 3, offering an open-source lab for anyone wanting to learn how to extend the operating system safely and officially. Number 5, Directus, 44 new stars today. Directus eliminates the tedious boilerplate of building backends by instantly wrapping any existing SQL database with a dynamic REST and GraphQL API, so you can stop writing CRUD endpoints and start shipping features. It uniquely bridges the gap between engineers and non-technical stakeholders by providing a Visual Studio for data management alongside a native MCP server that lets AI agents like Claude or Cursor interact with live data under the same granular, field-level access controls as human users. Unlike rigid CMS platforms that force you into their data model, Directus respects your database schema, making it a technically compelling choice for projects that need a flexible, AI-ready backend without vendor lock-in. Number 6, MonaEye, 22 new stars today. Building production-grade medical imaging AI from scratch forces you to reinvent data loading pipelines for 3D, 4D volumes, domain-specific augmentations, and validation metrics that generic PyTorch or TensorFlow don't provide. MonaEye bundles all of these into a framework designed specifically for healthcare imaging, so you can skip writing brittle preprocessing code for formats like NIFTY and DICOM and focus on model architecture and clinical evaluation. Its composable API and built-in support for multi-GPU training and federated learning workflows make it the de facto starting point for anyone moving research from a paper into a hospital setting. Number 7, Svelte, 23 new stars today. Svelte shifts the work from the browser to the build step, compiling declarative components into highly optimized vanilla JavaScript that updates the DOM with surgical precision. This eliminates the need for a virtual DOM and results in significantly smaller bundle sizes and faster runtime performance, solving the bloat and sluggishness common in many modern web apps. Visit the Svelte website to try the interactive tutorial and see how the compiler output differs from traditional frameworks. Number 8, Lightdash, 1 new stars today. Lightdash gives data teams an open-source BI platform that integrates directly with dbt, so you can build dashboards and self-serve analytics on top of your existing data models without duplicating business logic. It replaces proprietary tools like Looker, eliminating per-user licensing costs while letting developers own the entire analytics stack, from transformation to visualization and code. The addition of AI agents for natural language querying makes it faster to explore data without writing SQL, which sets it apart from traditional SQL-centric alternatives. Number 9. Plain. 98 new stars today. If your team has outgrown the per-seat pricing and vendor lock-in of Jira or Linear, but still needs structured issue tracking with sprints, docs, and roadmaps, Plain gives you the full project management stack in a self-hostable, TypeScript Python codebase. It replaces fragmented workflows by unifying tasks, cycles, modules, and document pages under one interface you can run on your own Docker or Kubernetes infrastructure. The combination of a modern React-based frontend with a Django backend makes it immediately hackable for developers who want to tailor issue tracking to their own processes, rather than fighting someone else's opinionated UI. Number 10. Summer 2026 internships. 31 new stars today. This repository solves the problem of manually tracking hundreds of company career pages for summer 2026 tech internships by aggregating roles from community submissions and automated hourly scrapes into a single structured list. It provides a rich, categorized dataset with sponsorship and citizenship markers, enabling developers to quickly filter opportunities or build their own notification tools like Swillist. The technical blend of crowdsourcing and continuous monitoring makes it a more current and extensible resource than static job boards, giving you an immediate reason to fork, contribute, or integrate it into your own workflow.